Top 8 cooking oils for best health. In the realm of culinary arts and nutrition, the choice of cooking oil plays a pivotal role in shaping not only the taste and texture of our dishes, but also the impact on our health. With an array of options available in the market, each boasting its unique flavor profile and health benefits, navigating the sea of cooking oils can be daunting. However, understanding the properties and nutritional characteristics of different oils can empower individuals to make informed choices that promote overall well-being. In this video, we delve into the top cooking oils renowned for their health benefits, shedding light on their composition, uses, and potential impact on health. Before we start the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for tastier content. So let's explore the top cooking oils for the best health benefits. Why do cooking oils matter? When cooking oils are heated, particularly at high heat, they eventually reach their smoke point. This is the temperature at which the oil is no longer stable and begins to break down. When oil breaks down, it begins to oxidize and release free radicals. These compounds can have negative health consequences, potentially causing cellular damage that may lead to disease development. Furthermore, oils that reach their smoke point release a substance called acrolein, which can create an unpleasant burnt flavor. Airborne acrolein may be dangerous to your lungs. The amount of processing can also affect oil quality. Highly refined oils have a uniform appearance and tend to be less expensive. Unrefined oils undergo minimal processing and may contain sediment particles, have a cloudier appearance, and maintain more of their natural flavor and color. Unrefined oils may contain more nutrients, but they're also more sensitive to heat and may go rancid more quickly than highly processed cooking oils. Refined oils tend to have higher smoke points than unrefined oils. Some refined oils are extracted using chemical solvents, while other oils are extracted by pressing plants or seeds. Many consumers avoid chemically extracted oils and prefer those made by pressing, such as cold-pressed olive oil. Number 1. Olive oil. The smoke point of olive oil is approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 degrees Celsius, which is a common cooking temperature for many recipes, particularly those for baked goods. Olive oil has long been the gold standard for cooking oils in kitchens across the globe. This is largely because it's versatile. It has a subtle peppery or grassy flavor, and you can use it for baking, sautéing, or cold dressings. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant. The primary fatty acid in olive oil is a monounsaturated fat called oleic acid. Studies have shown that oleic acid may have anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties. Additionally, olive oil contains antioxidant compounds called oleocanthal and oleuropein. These may have anti-inflammatory effects, including lowering blood pressure and helping prevent LDL, bad cholesterol, from oxidizing. Research has found that olive oil contains heart-healthy compounds and may help prevent conditions like obesity, metabolic syndrome, and type 2 diabetes. Number 2. Avocado oil. Avocado oil has a smoke point of approximately 520 degrees Fahrenheit, 271 degrees Celsius, making it great for high-heat cooking like deep frying. It has a neutral, avocado-like taste, which makes it perfect for sweet or savory cooking. It also has a nutritional composition similar to olive oil, with a high percentage of the heart-healthy fat oleic acid. One review concluded that it maintains its nutritional quality at low and high temperatures. The quality and nutritional makeup of avocado oil depend on various factors, including where the avocados were grown and the extraction method used. Some older animal studies have indicated that compounds in avocado oil may help protect the liver in response to metabolic disease and help lower blood pressure, LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, high levels of which may increase your risk of heart disease and heart attack. Avocado oil may even be beneficial for reducing osteoarthritis-related joint pain, post-meal blood sugar, and total cholesterol levels. It can also enhance the absorption of other nutrients and protect cells against free radical damage, according to small human and animal trials. Number 3. Sesame oil. Sesame oil has a medium-high smoke point of approximately 410 degrees Fahrenheit, 210 degrees Celsius. It's high in the heart-healthy antioxidants sesamol and sesaminol, which may have various benefits, including potential neuroprotective effects against certain diseases like. Plus, one small study among 46 people with type 2 diabetes found that using sesame oil for 90 days significantly improved fasting blood sugar and long-term biomarkers of blood sugar management. Sesame oil works well for sautéing, general-purpose cooking, and even as a salad dressing. It offers a mild, nutty flavor that can work well in a number of stuffed-up dishes. Note that regular sesame oil differs from toasted sesame oil. The latter has a more amplified nutty flavor, making it more suitable for finishing a dish than cooking one. Number 4. Safflower oil. The smoke point for safflower oil is higher, sitting at approximately 510 degrees Fahrenheit, 265 degrees Celsius. Safflower oil is made from the seeds of the safflower plant. It's low in saturated fat and contains a higher percentage of unsaturated fatty acids. Safflower oil is available with different amounts of linoleic and linolenic acids. High oleic safflower oil has at least 70% linoleic acid. Replacing other types of fat with high oleic safflower oil could help reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. This oil offers a neutral flavor that works well for marinades, sauces, and dips, as well as barbecuing and frying on the stovetop. Number 5. Sunflower oil. This oil is high in vitamin E. 1 tablespoon contains 28% of a person's daily recommended intake of the nutrient. It has a high smoke point and doesn't have a strong flavor, which means it won't overwhelm the dish. However, sunflower oil contains a lot of omega-6 fatty acids. The body needs them, but omega-6 are thought to be pro-inflammatory, while omega-3s are anti-inflammatory. Consuming too many omega-6 without balancing with omega-3s could lead to an excess inflammation in the body, so moderation is key. Number 6. Peanut oil. Nut oils like peanut can be fun to experiment with in the kitchen, especially since there are so many different types. Peanut oil has one of the highest monounsaturated fat contents among cooking oils. It's usually flavorful with a nutty taste and smell, and cooks well at high heat. Number 7. Walnut oil. This oil has a low smoke point, so it's not good for cooking, but it can be used in plenty of other ways. Howard drizzles the oil over pancakes, freshly cut fruit, and ice cream. She also adds it to refroth milk for coffee drinks. Walnut oil has a good ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids, which helps keep inflammation in check. Number 8. Grapeseed oil. Extracted from the seeds of grapes, grapeseed oil is prized for its neutral flavor, high smoke point, and abundance of polyunsaturated fats, particularly omega-6 fatty acids. While omega-6 fatty acids are essential for overall health, maintaining a balanced ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 is crucial to mitigate inflammation and support optimal health. Grapeseed oil's mild flavor and high smoke point make it suitable for high-heat cooking methods such as frying and baking, as well as for use in salad dressings and marinades. Additionally, grapeseed oil contains vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative damage and promotes skin health. And that wraps up our exploration of the top cooking oils for best health. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring to make healthier choices in your cooking journey. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this content and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on nutrition, wellness, and all things food related. Until next time, keep cooking and nourishing your body with love. Take care.